Hi, Harry.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, baby. Good evening. How are you?
I'm happy.
Wow. Are you done eating?
Yes,
Very good. Okay, so now we will be having an energizer first before we will continue our review. Okay, is that fine?
yes,
Yes. Okay. So I want you to dance, Harry. This is just a simple
yes.
steps. Okay, thank you. Okay.
All right, everybody, let's get ready to warm up. Shake 'em just like this. Shake 'em just like this. Shake 'em just like this.
Oh,
And roll your hands.
wiggle.
Wiggle them just like this. Wiggle them just like this. Wiggle them just like this.
Roll.
And roll your hands.
Clap.
Clap them just like this. Clap them just like this. Clap them just like this. And roll
Roll.
your hands. I like to move. I like to groove. So come on, shake
Shake
'em
it
just
just
like
like
this.
this.
Wiggle them just like this. Clap them just like this. And
And
roll
roll
your
your
hands.
hands. Yay. Okay, so we are done with our short energizer. Okay, now, baby. Okay, so let's welcome to our class. And now we will be continuing our review last night. Okay, do you remember we have a review?
Yes,
Yes. Okay, so let's continue it now. Okay, so let's continue to assist your learning about our previous topic. Okay, so we are done here, right? We already answered this one. Do you
yes,
remember? Yes.
yes,
Okay, so let's proceed now. Whoops. Okay, we are done also here, right? We
yes,
connect the dots. Okay, so now we will be moving to this page or to this topic. Are you ready now?
yes.
Okay, so since you are ready, so let us start. Okay, first we need to read the instructions first. Okay, let's read.
Mm,
Arrange.
arrange the passage to make
Again, that
sentences.
is praises. One more, praises.
Phrases. Phrases
To
to
make.
make sentences.
Very good. So we will arrange this one. Okay, this one, and this one. What we're gonna do, Harry, is to arrange these words to make it a formal or a correct sentence. Okay, so the word here is, okay, what are the words here? Let's read it first. Okay, let's read the words.
Is as long as these sau- sausages link
Very good.
her hair.
Okay, so it is confusing because it is not arranged in a proper way. So here's an example on how to write it correctly. Okay, the correct sentence is
These sausages links is as long as her hair.
okay. So now we can understand the sentence because it is now arranged completely. Okay, so the sausage's length or the sausage length is as long as her hair. So this is. So now let's have the number two question. Now it is our turn to arrange the sentence or the words. Okay, let's read first.
It's as sticky as dirty socks. Stinky tofu.
Okay, now baby, let's arrange the words for us to read it clearly. Okay? Where's the first thing that we need to arrange?
Mm, the
Mm,
sticky tofu
okay, that is stinky tofu
mm, is as stinky
is as
as dirty
is
socks.
as stinky as dirty socks. Wow. So let's check your answer. Okay, so let's check. Okay, this is the answer of Harry in number two. Okay, so now we will lessen the font size. So it could be, okay, so that's it. Okay, we will read it. We will read it. Okay, so let's read your answer. The
The stinky tofu is as stinky as sock.
as sucks. Okay, so now you arrange it clearly so that we can understand the sentence. So the stinky tofu is as stinky as what?
As dirty sock.
Dirty sacks. Now, what is the reason why stinky tupu is being compared to a dirty sacks? Because they are both
They're both stinky.
very good. They are both stinky. Okay, very good. Okay, how about number two? Number three. We are now in number three. Let's read it first.
Is as tall as that thin my house.
Okay, now baby, let's arrange the words. What is the first thing that we need to arrange?
Mm, that thin
That then
mm, mm, is as tall as my house.
is as tall as my house. Wow, very good. So this is your sentence in number three. Okay, let's read your answer. That right.
Mm, mm,
Let's read your answer. That
that thin is as tall as my house.
that tent is as tall as my house. Okay, so what is being compared here? The tent
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 in my
and
house. And
the
the
house.
house.
Okay, so why they are being compared? Because they are both.
We're both tall.
Okay, very good. So they are both tall. Okay, you got it right, Harry. So we are successfully arranged. Number three. Now let's go to the last number. Let's read it first.
Is as spicy as a red chili. This taco.
Okay, now baby, let's arrange. Okay, let's start from
This taco
this taco
mm, is as spicy
is
as
as
a red chili.
a red chili. Okay, so this taco is as spicy as a red chili. Okay, so let's read the sentence, Harry. Okay, this.
This taco is as spicy as a red chili.
Okay, what is the two things that being compared? The
The taco in a
taco
red
and a red.
and a red chili
Why? Because
because they are both spicy.
very good. They are both spicy. Wow, good job. You really understand our previous lesson because you answer it very fast. Okay, let's proceed to our next discussion, our next activity. Okay, here, um, we have activity and okay, let's read the instruction first.
Read the question, then answer them using the more than sentence pattern.
Pattern. It's pattern. Okay, so now we have here question. So we will read the question, then we will answer it using more than. Okay, let's read first the first example. Okay, let's read the question. Which
Which food is more
crowded
crowded than the other?
again? Which food cart
Which food court is more
is
crowded than the other?
okay? So the first food cart is the
I is a food court ice cream.
okay. How about the second cart is
It is a food court sticky tofu.
a stinky tofu. Okay, so we will see the picture. Which food cart has a lot of children buying from their food? Okay, let's count how many children who buys ice cream. One.
One, two, three.
Okay, there are three children in ice cream
Food
cart.
court.
Okay, how about in stinky tofu? How many children buying?
One.
Only one. Okay, so the question is, which food cart is more crowded? When we say crowded, Harry, it means um a lot of people. Okay, so when we say crowded, there's a lot of people. So how many or where's food cart is more people buying their food? Okay, so the answer is we will answer the question like this. The
The ice cream food court is more mm,
crowded.
crowded than the stinky tofu food court.
Okay, so we will answer like that. We will state that the ice cream food cart is more crowded because it has three children, while the tofu only one children buys the food. Okay, more than the stinky tofu food cart. Okay, so now let's start answering number two, and then we will answer the question. Okay, let's read this one, baby. Which
Which dish is more expensive than the other?
Okay, which dish is more expensive than the other? Okay, what food is this, Harry? This is
taco,
taco. How about this one?
mm, business,
Baked snails. Okay, look at the picture. Which is more expensive? A baked snails or a taco?
mm, a business,
Okay, the a baked snails. Okay, so let's write our answer. Okay, which is more expensive than the other? Okay, let's start by the baked snails is
the business is more expensive
more expensive
than the taco.
than the taco. Okay. So this is the
Taco. What?
okay. So okay, let's read one more the answer. Hurry, let's read the bake.
The the hmm? the baked snails is more expensive than the taco.
Okay, there is here. Okay. The baked snails is more expensive than the taco. Okay, very good. Okay, how about the last one? What is the last one? What do you think? What food is this?
Stinky tofu
Stinky tofu. How about
and
this one?
steak.
That's a beef
Beef.
steak, right?
A beef steak. Yes.
Okay, so let's read the question. Which
Which food is more pleasant to smell than the other?
Okay, which food is pleasant or meaning to say
Pleasant.
not or not having a strong smell than the other? Okay, let's answer baby by making it a sentence. The
The
beef steak
mm, the beef steaks mm,
is more pleasant
is is less is more pleasant than the stinky tofu.
than the stinky tofu. Okay.
Mm, oh,
Okay, again, let's read the sentence.
mm,
This is a beef. Okay, let's read
mm.
the beef.
The beef steak is more pleasant than the stinky tofu.
Okay, Harry, can you excuse teacher for a while? Okay, I will be back.
Okay. I not mm,
Okay. Harry, are you still there? Uh,
yes.
okay, so I drink water. Okay, so let's read the answer. The beef
The the beef steak is more pleasant than the
stinky.
stinky tofu.
Okay, then a stinky tofu. So this beef steak is pleasant in the nose or has no strong smell than the stinky tofu. Okay. So now let's proceed to our next discussion. our next activity. Oops. Okay. So let's have a vocabulary strategy. Okay, so this is a vocabulary strategy. Okay. Let's read what is synonyms. Okay.
A synonym is
Again,
a
again, Harry, it's synonym.
synonym
Okay, synonym is a word,
is a word of
phrase,
praise that mean the same as another word or
phrase.
phrase.
Okay, so when we say synonyms, the two words has the same meaning. Okay, a word or phrase that means the same. Okay, it means the same. Okay, let's have the example. Red
Red
chili.
chili is spicy.
Okay, when you think about red chili, you will also think it is spicy. So you mean to say red chili and spicy has the same meaning. How about the sentence? This taco.
This taco is so hot because it had chili sauce.
Okay. When you think about hot, mean to say there is chili in the food. Okay. So let's read spicy and hot.
Spicy and hot are synonym,
Synonyms.
synonyms.
Very good.
They are both used to
Describe,
describe something that
causes,
causes a burning sen-
since
sensation
say very good sensation.
or feeling in the mouth.
Okay, very good. So spicy and hot is synonym, meaning to say they have the same meaning. Because when we say spicy, it is also means your mouth has a burning sensation which we can feel if we eat spicy. However, on the other hand, hot also makes us feel a burning sensation in our mouth. Meaning to say, we feel the same feeling in spicy and in hot. That's why we call it synonyms. Okay? Okay, let's have
Yes.
another example, Harry, for you to understand it well. Okay, let's have an example. Okay, let's have two words. Beautiful. Then the other
Beautiful.
word. Okay. What is the
Mm,
synonym of beautiful? Okay. When I say your mom is beautiful, we can also say your mom is pretty. Okay. Pretty and beautiful can be the same way when we are describing a person. Okay. Your mom is pretty or gorgeous. Okay. Gorgeous. So they have the same meaning. If I will say your mom is beautiful, it is just the same if I will say your mom is gorgeous. They have the same meaning because they are synonyms. Do you understand?
yes.
Yes. Okay, so that is the synonyms. Okay, so let's move to the other part. Oops. Okay, so Let's read this one, baby. Read.
Read the passage and answer the
Passage.
question.
Again, can you say passage?
Passage
Look at the
and
mouth of
answer.
teacher. Look at my mouth first. Passage.
Passage.
Okay, so that is quite good. Okay, let's start.
How to make tacos.
Okay, first, can you
Make
read, baby?
first. First, make sure you have tacos, beef, cheese, and vegetables, including
Very good.
onions, tomatoes, and lettuce.
Lettuce.
Let,
Again,
let,
lettuce.
lettuce.
Okay.
Cook the beef, then dice them or cut them into strips,
Stripes.
stripes, or small pieces.
Pieces. Okay.
Cut the vegetable into small pieces next. Then put them inside the tortillas. Add a bit of hot sauce if you want your taco spicy.
Okay. So, how to make tacos? Okay. First, make sure you have the ingredients. Okay. The ingredients are tacos. What else?
Mm,
Beef,
beef, mm, beef, beef, vegetables,
vegetables,
mm,
cheese.
cheese,
This one,
mm, tomatoes,
tomatoes,
and lettuce.
and
Let-
lettuce. Okay, lettuce. So that are the main ingredients how to make a taco. Then we need to cook the beef. Okay, then we will slice or dice it or cut into small pieces. Okay, small pieces. And then let's cut the vegetables and the other ingredients. Okay, then put them into the tortilla, and also you can add a sauce if you want the taco is spicy. Okay, let's read the question. What
What information? Mm,
this does
this
this
that this purchase give give mm,
give us?
give us?
Okay, so this we read this one, okay, so that we will know A. How? So
How
this is letter
how to
A.
how to cut vegetables and float a tortillas.
How about letter B?
How to prepare tacos.
Okay, what is your answer? What information does this passage gives us? A or B?
B.
Very good. Letter B. Very good, Harry. It is inform us how to prepare
To
tacos.
prepare tacos.
Very good. Okay, baby, our time is over. So we will continue our class on Saturday or tomorrow. We will have a class tomorrow. Okay. Good night, Harry. Bye bye.
Teacher.
Good night.